Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all my students. How are you? All are fine? Good. So, this is your math period. Which period is going on? Math period is going on. Okay. In math period, we will learn numbers from 1 to 14. In your previous session, we have learned numbers. Yes or no? In your previous session, we have learned numbers now. Numbers from 1 to 30. And in previous lecture, we will learn 31 to 40 also. So you know numbers from 1 to 40. You know all the numbers. Yes, some students say yes, some students say no. So, we will again start from 1 to 40. Okay, again revise all the numbers. In your previous session, we learned 1 to 40 because 1 to 30 we will write, then 31 to 40 also we will write. So, now we will write from 1 to 40. So, this is your return. So, take out your notebook and pencil, eraser and write with me. So, all are ready for writing? Yes, all are writing. Okay, all are writing numbers and write with me and say also. So, first we will write tens and ones. So, here we write ones. And here we write tens. Write on your notebook ones and tens. Now, starting from number 1. So, all of you write 1. All of you write 1. After number 1, 2. All of you write number 2. After number 2, which number will come? After number 2, number 3 will come. So here we write number 3. All are know how to write numbers? Okay, very good. So 1, 2, 3. After number 3, number 4 will come. So all of you write number 4. And all of you say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, after number 4, which number will come? Number 5 will come. So, here we write number 5. Now, tell me, after number 5, which number will come? After number 5, number 6 will come. So, here we write number 6. Now, tell me, after number 6, which number will come? So, after number 6, number 7 will come. Now, count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, after number 7, which number will come? So, after number 7, number 8 will come. Now, after number 8, which number will come? After number 8, number 9 will come. Now after 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. So this is the numbers from 1 to 10. Now draw one line and write again ones and tens. Okay, draw one line. You make here a small dot and draw this line. Now we'll write from 1, 11. So all of you ready? All are written 1 to 10. Now ready for 11 to 20. So all are ready? First 1, 11. All of you say 1, 11. After number 11, which number will come? After number 11, number 12 will come. So here we write 1, 2, after number 12, number 13 will come. So here we write 1, 3, 13. Okay. Now after 13, which number will come? After 13, 14 will come. 1, 4, 14. Now after number 14, which number will come? So after number 14, 15 will come. So 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Now after number 15, which number will come? So after number 15, 16 number will come. 1, 6, 16. Okay, now after number 16, which number will come? So after number 16, number 17 will come. So here we write 1, 7, 17. Now after 17, which number will come? After 17, 18 will come. And how to write number 18? 1, 8, 18. Okay, 1, 8, 18. Now after number 18, which number will come? So after number 18, 19 will come. 1, 9, 19. Okay, now after 19, 20 will come. How to write 20? 2, 0, 20. Okay, so these are 11 to 20 written. Okay, now ready for next line? All are ready for next line? First you drop one line. All are drop one line. Now we will ready for 21 to 30. You know how to write 21 to 30? Yes, we have written in your previous session. So now we will written again. Now we will write again. So first we will write ones, then we will write tens. Now first is 2, 1, 21. How to write 2, 1, 21? 2, 1, 21. Now after 21, 22 will come. And how to write 2 to 22? 2, 2, 22. Now after 22, which number will come? After 22, 23 will come. And how to write 23? 2, 3, 23. So these numbers 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23. Now after 23, which number will come? After 23, 24 will come. Okay. Now how to write number 24? So 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. Okay, now after 24, which number will come? After 24, 25 number will come. And how to write 25? 2, 5, 25. How to write 25? 2, 5, 25. Now, after 25, which number will come? After 25, 26 will come. After 25, 26 will come. Now, after 26, 27 will come. After 26, 27 will come. And how to write 27? 2, 7, 27. So now 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27. Now after 27, 28 will come. And how to write 28? 2, 8, 28. Look over here and write with me. Okay, how to write 2, 8, 28. Now after 28, 29 will come. And how to write 29? 2, 9, 29. Okay. Now after 29, 30 will come. 3, 0, 30. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30, 30. Now, return this line. Now, ready for next line. Next line from 31 to 40. So, are you ready for 31 to 40? Write 31 to 40. First, we will write 3, 1, 31. 3, 1, 31. All of you say 3, 1, 31. How to write 3, 1, 31? 3, 1. Okay, now after 31, which number will come? After 31, 32 will come. 3, 2, 32. How to write 32? 3, 2, 32. Now after 32, which number will come? After 32, 33 will come. And how to write number 33? 3, 3, 33. Okay. Now after 33, 34 will come. And how to write 34? 3, 4, 34. Okay. Now after 34, which number will come? 3, 5, 35. Which number? 3, 5, 35. Now, after 35, 3, 6, 36. Same right, beta, okay? You say 3, 1. You write 3, you write 1 and say 3, 1, 31. Then you write 3, then write 2. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. Then 3, 7, 37. How to write? 3, 7, 37. After 37, 38 will come. And how to write 38? 3, 8, 38. Okay, now after 38, 39 will come. And how to write? 39, 39. And last digit is 4040. So you have to write 4040. Okay. So this is the numbers from 1 to 40. So you write on your notebook from 1 to 40. All of you written? All are written? Okay. So this is the numbers from 1 to 40. After numbers, we will revise some oral exercise. So done your work. Done. Okay. Now I will erase the board and start some activity. Done. So all are right numbers from 1 to 40 in your notebook and send to me. Okay, this is your classwork also and homework also. So all are right 1 to 40. Okay, now your written part is over. Now we will do some oral exercise. So the question is, circle the given number. Okay, circle the given number. Okay. Now tell me which number of these. First you identify the number. Which number? 2, 5, 25. Now you search where is 2, 5, 25. Okay. So this is the number 2525. Now search the 2525 in this balloon. Okay, the question is circle the given number. This is your given number. Okay, the number is 2525. So now you search where is 2525 and circle the number 2525. So first, which number of these? This is number 2626. Okay. Now next, this is 2525. So you circle the number 2525. Okay. Now this also 2525. First you find out all 25. Okay. So this one also. Now which number of these? This is number 5. This is number 3030. This is number 5, 6. Now again 25. So you mark it. 4040, 3131 and 2525. Now you find out all 25. So you circle the 25. You mark all 25 now. So now you circle the 2525. So this is your searching method. Okay. First you search the number. First you search the given number. What is the given number? 2525. Now you search in the balloon. Big balloon. So the balloon has so many numbers. So you search only 2525. So where is 25? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 25? 425. So this is example number 1. Now example number 2. Okay. The given number is the given number is this. Which number of these? Tell me. Which number of these? So, first you search the number. Okay. Which number of these? All of you say 3737. All of you say 3737. Now you search the number 3737. Where is 3737? First you mark the number. Okay. This number is 3535. Now move next number. This is 3737. So you mark the number 3737. First you mark all the 37, then you circle. Okay. So now next 6, 3535. No. 3737. Yes. So you mark the number 40, 4040. Number 7, 3535, 3, 4 and 3737. Last is number 2. So 2 is not. So 37. Where is 37? 37. Okay. How many 37? 1, 2, 3. So 3, 7, 37. So this exercise is so little bit tough, but you know na numbers from 1 to 40. If you learn all the numbers from 1 to 40, if you know all the numbers from 1 to 40, this exercise for you is easy. But you don't know the numbers, so this is difficult for you. So first you learn the number, all the number, write 1 to 40, then we will try this activity. Okay? After learning the numbers, we will try this activity. So the lecture is over. In this period, you return 1 to 40, numbers from 1 to 40. And this is your oral activity. So first you learn the all number, then you apply this activity at your home. Okay? So this lecture is over. If you any doubt, you tell to me, send me the message. So and solve your problem, all the problems. Okay? And doing your homework and classwork also. Okay? And make video and send it to me. So, bye bye. Have a nice day.